Cause you bet I'm in a dancing harder than before.